friends and customers around the world. This is Jennie from Beiter Laser. We really have our highest concern for you guys. We hope your family and friends are safe and staying home during this difficult time. We in China are actually doing a lot better. Our government does very good controlling. We have 0 new case for domestic already. Right now, it's more cases coming from the overseas. So we have our regards, the best regards for you guys, and I really hope things is gonna get better in your country. In terms of the protective supply, we receive a lot of requests from our customers. So we also, this is not our regular business, but we also go our way out and help to source the best material for you guys and try to deliver to you all as soon as possible. So over the weekend, my colleague's actually very good. She sacrificed her weekend. She visits a lot of factories, and we selected 5 very reliable suppliers that are ready to ship to you all if you need it. So we have a following details to explain our selection and our choice. All in all, I really hope everybody is safe, and we really think that we can go over this together. So thank you so much, and my best regards to everybody.